Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wish's weekly webisode. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm really happy to bring you from our friends at Crafters Companion the Pop and Twist card making kit. So this one is sealed, but I'm going to show you what's in this kit. And they make these adorable pop-out cards. They twist and they pop, bang, just like that. They're fun to make, really easy, so come play with us. So this is a great kit. It makes 24 cards, and the cards measure, when closed, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. And Crafters Companion is great about giving you these full color instruction sheets, step by step, everything you need there to show you how to make these great cards. But I'm going to take you through and show you in person, so sometimes that's a little easier. And take a look at these different designs. Each card requires 2 sheets, and you get multiple of each of these designs. They're really beautiful florals, gorgeous. I love this one with barn wood. Beautiful yellow flowers, lavender, blue, with all kinds of sentiments. Really fun. So let me show you some of these cards that my friend Debbie made, and she just did her own little take on this one. This one's You Are Amazing, and she embellished this card with gold jewel border dazzles and then just gold jewel dazzle stickers. And when you open that up, it's all shiny and glitzy because she had daisies that she put these little gold jewel dazzle stickers in the center of each one, and just really has a lot of shine to it. This next one, Debbie made a closure for it. It's just a really sweet little pink card, especially for you. So she just took some shimmery white ribbon and tied that around so that it slips right off, and then it makes this wonderful presentation. She even added some foam tape to the die cut pieces here to give those some dimension. So let's put one together. So I have my 2 die cut sheets that coordinate to make my purple flower card, and so I've die cut the base, or evacuated the pre-die cut base from this sheet, and also the folding mechanism that goes on the inside. That's this one right here. All right, so this one is already pre-scored, and I'm going to fold it like this. Okay, so it's got 2 mountain folds and some valley folds here, so you look like you end up with a little house. And then I've taken some extra sticky tape and I've put that on the triangles, just on one side of the triangles. Okay, we'll take that one off. And I'm going to open up my card and place the triangle below the fold at the card's center. Make sure that's adhered. So as you can see, I've added more double stick tape to the top part of my little house, the roof point here. I'm just going to take off this last piece. So now I'm going to close the card, make sure that's adhered so that when I open it, that mechanism is all taken care of. Then I've got my inside panel, and I folded that in this manner where it's like a W. Okay, so we've got a mountain fold and then 2 valley folds so that you have a W shape. So I've applied more double stick tape at the bottom left corner, so it's the bottom left of the fold, and at the top right corner above the fold, right here. I'm going to remove this last piece. We're almost done. And I'm going to take my folded piece here, and I'm going to attach the bottom left and the top right corners, just aligning those corners. Okay, there we go. And then we're just going to help it kind of twist that first fold. Okay, so then once you kind of get that trained to close, and you want to crease it like that. All right, it pops right open. Okay, so now we're going to have fun decorating. I've got all my little pieces that coordinate with our sheet here. I'm going to take off my little foam tape pieces. There we go. And that can go right on the front. And then on the inside, I can do, well, actually on the outside, I can do the hugs and kisses. Greeting. And I can add these wonderful gold jewel border dazzles on the top. And on the inside, I've still got a few greetings and things I can add. That could go right here, the top. And then these little pieces, I've just got a little bit of foam tape on. They could actually go here. And here. Oh, actually, I'm going to put this one. Oh, come on, foam tape. There we go. I'll put this one down here and put this little one at the top. Okay. Here we go. And I can make a closure with this with some ribbon, or I can just give it like this and it kind of stands open. All right. So as you can see, these are fun to make. The step-by-step instructions are really, really helpful. You just need a little foam tape, little extra sticky tape, and you're good to go. We have a great money saver on this kit, so make sure to check that out. If you're watching us on YouTube, check for the money saver link in the description, and I'll see you next time.